Hi, my name is Tim Ria here hosting Digital Health Live at the Summer Digital Health Summit in San Francisco. We've had an awesome panel talking about aging by design, and we have Sanjay, I want to say Khurana because we were just saying that, but how do you actually?
Khurana.
Khurana with, he's basically the Director of Thought Leadership for AARP. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So you were just on stage. Who else was part of the panel?
We had Jeff McCauca, who's my colleague in thought leadership, and we had Eric Bazouk from Frog Design, and we had a couple of companies that we showcased as highlighting good designs in the marketplace that are either disrupting the market or solving for a real creative need.
What's your background, Sanjay? How'd you get into all this?
My background comes from digital media and mobile business. I came from a complete non-health background, so I've seen an economy develop around the mobile sector and the mobile media sector, and we've seen how it's been disrupted by outside players. And having had that experience of being in innovation leading roles and seeing how that industry went through building an economy around it. So I'm applying some of those learnings in digital health. So it actually brings a very outsider looking in perspective, which is probably different than, and I don't have any baggage from coming from a healthcare. So that helps me.
Yeah, it's interesting. Very cool. So you guys are working on some new philosophies to help innovation in this space. What's going on stage, and what are you guys working on?
So until this year, our focus primarily has been in helping lower the barriers in the marketplace around addressing the needs of the 50 plus. So we've been helping the market around understanding where's the economic value in the 50 plus, where should the entrepreneur focus on, where should the investors focus on when it comes to the 50 plus economy, health being one of the focus areas. So a lot of our to-date effort has been around providing that expertise to companies to understand where the needs are, where the unmet needs are, the 50 plus. Now we're transitioning into augmenting that with a couple other elements, layering on the need for better design. Because one of the things that we found that this demographic is not well addressed when it comes to design. We're not suggesting build products for the 50 plus. What we are a proponent of, make your design inclusive, that you're taking into account the needs and the wants of the 50 plus. So working with the likes of Frog and other design firms, we really want to bring tools to the marketplace, especially early stage entrepreneurs that otherwise don't have the capital to go out and get some services. Give them enough guidance that they can start thinking about better design methodologies, better design tools. That's step number one. Help them with tools, lower the barrier. Second one, once they've got products and services in the market, we want to make it easy for them to get the voice of the customer into the innovation cycle sooner than later so they can build better products. Again, our game is a long-term play, so we are trying to seed the market so we can see the results of the market 2-3 years from now, better products for this demographic, for the members. Yeah.
Cool. I mean, you'd never think, I've been watching you guys for 4 years now, I think, doing this, but yeah, it's a lot of people with ARP, they're doing innovation and startups.
And that is a natural reaction we get from a lot of people. That doesn't sound like ARP, but I think what we have actually proven through our work is we've taken an innovation model and kind of made an upside-down model. We've really, as my colleagues like to talk about it, this is the Tom Sawyer strategy, is really we're getting other people to paint our fences. Working with the industry, rather than come up and us develop new technologies, we're saying we're not a technology company. We have the advocacy position. We're a voice of the customer. Why don't we use our brand and the voice of the customer to influence the market and get other people to react and build better products? And so our innovation model has sort of become a unique in a sense that we've been innovative without being traditionally an innovative company.
Hey, that's Sanjay Khurana from AARP. Good to see you. Good to see Jody and our friends from AARP, and for supporting all this for so long.
Glad I could be here. Thank you.